We're joined by Paul, who is from Vitec Imaging, and he's going to show us some of the new Joby mobile offers that they have. We've got two new products to show me today.
Absolutely, got these two little bad boys here.
And they're brand new, right?
Absolutely, launched so the first few here at the photography show, and absolutely great products. So should we start with this one?
Yeah, talk me through it.
Brilliant. So this little fella, this is the Gorillapod Mobile Rig. So a bit like the Gorillapod DSLR rig that we've recently launched as well. This is based on the 1K Gorillapod, but has the new Griptight Pro mount, which and it's got a phone in it at the moment. But to give you an idea, you know, it's got a claw system that will hold any phone available in the market. Yeah. Secures it really well, and also allows you to tilt it from portrait to landscape. So whether you're shooting high quality video, whether you want to shoot your Instagram stories, you can do both.
Yeah, that's good.
So great for your vlogging, great for your mobile filmmaking, and you've got the same arms as on the rig as well, which just detach if you want. Come with culture attachments, 1/4 inch threads, and there's a pin joint as well. So whether it's LEDs, microphones, flash, you name it, you can attach it.
Stick it on that side bit, yeah.
Really cool stuff. It's lightweight as well, and actually very cheap.
What's the hot shoe on for the shop?
Yeah, so I mean the culture you got on here, you know, it's a metal mount, and you know, whether that's putting your, you know, decent quality microphone straight on top of it, whether you wanted to put a flash gun if you're trying to do stills, or even a top quality LED, it really doesn't matter. The strength on that is something that's also on both of these as well. So you've got three distinct choices as to where and how you mount your kit.
So you could be shooting like on your phone, you could probably mount an action camera to the top maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
for sure.
It's good for that sort of thing.
Really good stuff, and like I say, I mean, they're only $89.95, which, you know, considering you've got the 1K Gorillapod, you've got the arms, and you've got that great mount, it's really good value.
And also that top bit's adjustable, isn't it?
Absolutely. So you've got a tilting mechanism on here, so you can
move that up and down, so you can
be as flexible as you want. You know, when you just wrap this around to position, whether you're standing it up, you know, it really doesn't matter. You've just got total flexibility. So dead easy to use. So yeah, the Gorillapod Mobile Rig, I think it's going to be a real winner.
So that's $89.99.
Yep.
When do you think that'll be available?
Stock's coming in the next couple of weeks. Dealers have got the details and can start towards the items now. So yeah, incredibly soon. And then moving on to the next one, it looks like a lightsaber, but this is actually the Griptight Telepod, and this thing is a super cool piece of kit. It also comes with the Griptight smartphone mount as well, but you don't have to use it like that. So first thing of all, you've got a selfie stick. So get your camera or tripod, do your vlogging, get your shot, you're absolutely sorted. But not only that, this becomes a tripod. And you've got high or you've got a low mount setting. So you've got.
I didn't know anything about these little tricks that this thing does.
It's amazing stuff. Comes with a little 1K ball head as well, so plenty of positional movement. And not only that, it comes with the little impulse remote trigger, which is a Bluetooth trigger that without any software at all will connect to your, well, any smartphone, whether it's iPhone, whether it's Android. It just means that you can fire your stills and your video from your pocket and not have to be reaching to try and touch the button on screen.
You just connect it to your Bluetooth like normal, and you can just shoot
fire away
selfies until
it just works
until your friends are sick of you on Instagram. Amazing.
Absolutely.
Well, I look forward to reviewing both of those. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us. Thank you.